Hey guys, Fishy here, and I'm still seeing a lot of fake profiles that are posting a lot of content into Trump-related groups, and Facebook isn't taking them down quickly. This is a particularly sticky one, Nancy here, and if we scroll down Nancy's profile, we'll see just a bunch of pictures like this, and a bunch of comments like this from guys with names like I was and Usman, and that's interesting. Okay, but it's not completely indicative of what the profile is about. But if we click on photos, it'll give us more than just the photos. This is one woman, and then there's some other photos interspersed that look like they might be somebody else from different angles and whatever, just the way their face is made up. And then we have this profile interested in deli daredevils, okay, and these particular things. And keep going down and we look at the page likes. This is not at all what you would see normally. Punjab fashion store, pop Bollywood trolls, okay, live India Hindi. So yeah, this is not looking at all like an American, somebody who's stationed in America or around that place, but she's pushing a lot of content into American-centric groups. So I went looking at photos commented on. This is what we have here. This is what that Nancy profile is commenting on. That's kind of a weird collection. And if we scroll down and we look at this guy, I've already opened it up a little bit in the next tab. This guy, when we look at him, we can see Nancy's got a comment here, and then there's a tag down here with Nancy, but it's Sahil Khan. Well, I don't need much more to tell me this is a fake profile. This is one that's either been sold or claimed or changed identity. Just this week, found a group that is responsible for a lot of fake profiles being sold on Facebook, and it's still up. Facebook hasn't shut it down. That's crazy. And this is what we're dealing with. All kinds of fake profiles that look like this, that put people off of their guard so that they trust and take information from these profiles, and they are targeting Americans. And I think people should know. So spread this video, share it, tell people about Unfakery, and let's put more pressure on Facebook.